क्या बात है
इधर 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 जग इधर
आप लोग फ्यूचर डाल डाकर
हाँ बराबर बराबर
सुन लो दादा क्या बोल रहे हैं हाँ
हाँ
ये एक्सप्लेन
छोड़ो ध्यान लगाने का
यस यस
और हेल्थ रखने का बेटा God bless you.
आज का मौका कल का फ्यूचर
Runs the first one hard. Is he going to come back for the second? And yes, that will be two good runs adding up to the total. Well, now then, bit of a discussion that is going to happen, and yes, it will be a change in the bowling as well. Freddie's bowled 2 overs, Sharad has bowled 2 overs. Now it's time. Starts off with a wide ball. And this has been a little bit of concern there for Mumbai Heroes, especially the extras that have come in right from the first over. From Akhilesh, and he joins the party this evening. Boundary rope. A little lucky for Parag there. Was way outside the off stump, and you can see all that it needed. It nicely, well bowled there.
जूम आउट कर इसको वॉकिंग थोड़ा थोड़ा ले लियो
By Navdeep.
कितना सेकंड का 15-20 सेकंड ले ले
Especially that cross angle, he's also bowling a little wider from that non-striker end. He's not bowling T2 with the loss of 2 wickets. One more over of power play, so you still have that field restrictions up there. You still have that one more over to bring in the team's half century. You still have that 6 legitimate deliveries to come at you, where you can just swing the ball to any part of the ground that you need. Because now you've seen that stability that is coming from Akhilesh and Parag. At the bowling end. Because there was a discussion, and I think they've decided to get Abrar, who is a spin bowler. Because you've seen what has changed over the period of time, that the pace bowling is nicely now coming on to the batsmen, and they're playing very well. 5 overs, 42 for 2. And probably the change of in which the runs are getting scored. Because you have this over as the power play is last over, but after that again the field restrictions will see a little bit of relaxation, where you will have maximum players standing onto the boundary. So this is 1 over you'll have to really tighten with good line and length to be bowled to the batters. Abrar. Watch nation is always a challenging one for the bowlers as well. Another full toss ball, but that will be landing right into 4 runs there. Well, all you have to do is grip the ball more tighter now. 2 full tosses, 1 that has gone for a boundary. He's a very good bowler, Abrar. A very good leg spin for him. Well, now then, a short break. Where, what to do next? How to pick up a wicket here? And what a brilliant over by Rohit, the previous one.
क्या भाई ट्रेन खाली रहेगी क्या विरार वाली
In that over.
तो खाली रहेगी
71 runs after the end of 8. 2 wickets, which was again in the first and the second over. The first over that was bowled by Freddie got a wicket, and then it was Sharad who got a wicket. But after that, I think that little shift of gears by CGST Customs have turned around. Fit India, Hit India, friendly cricket game brought by the Sports Authority of India, Fit India movement, fitness ka dose, Aadha Ghanta Roz, and many motivating slogans that we've heard in this wonderful initiative by the government of India, Fit India movement. Body fit hai to mind hit hai, khilega India to khilega India.
साले वो एक्सरसाइज कर रहे थे वो सब भी
Fitness to celebrate a wonderful time in the cricket ground.
दादा ने बोला तो कर
मेरे को पूरा भरोसा है कि हमारे बैट्समैन जो है वो धोखे रहेंगे टी शर्ट किसी की भी पहने सपोर्ट आर्टिस्ट को है कपड़ा उनका है और क्या होता है आपका क्या बोलने का है 10 ओवर में आप क्या समझते क्या होगा
Well, मुझे लगता है जितना कमेंट्री अभी तक मैं कर रहा हूँ
अभी हमारा फ्रेडी है वहाँ पे फ्रेडी दारू है ही से गुड बोलो उसके 2 ओवर बचे ले और अपना कौन है रोहित का भी बचे कौन है रोहित के 2 बचे ले तोड़ के रखेंगे हमारे यहाँ अपना फील्डर स्ट्रॉन्ग है विकेट कीपर का मेरे को ऑटोग्राफ लेने का पड़ेगा एक नंबर है विकेट कीपर बाकी जो कैच पकड़ा फैंटास्टिक कैच बॉडी डैम गुड यार और आई एम लविंग इट मैन एक बॉल नहीं जाने दिया बिल्कुल और वो एक आउट तक तूने अपील नहीं किया वो मेरे समझ में नहीं आया मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि कुछ नहीं वो लो बॉल तो अपना वो नहीं उसके बाद में दूसरा 2 बॉल के बाद में देयर वाज अनदर ब्रेक दैट मींस बोथ ऑफ अस हर्ट सॉरी ये बातें बोलते नहीं हम लोग टेक्निकल अंदर बैठ के अपनी बात कर रहे हैं बट यू शुड हैव अपील फॉर एवरी बॉल जाके सुनील वांट्स टू नो ये फ्रेडी दारू वाला कस्टम से क्या समझ
ये जो क्वेश्चन है वो थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी है फ्रेडी दारू वाला जो आप गेंदबाजी करने में दिख रहे हैं आपको विकेट्स भी चटका है
बहुत अच्छा बॉलर है हम लोग का उसका नाम जो श्रीलंका
A huge round of applause for the World Cup hero, Mr. Karsan Gavri, who's there with us to grace this occasion. Well, Sunil sir, it's been a proper balance. I think the way the bowling started, good bounce, good movement in the air that we've seen.
It's a great game of cricket. You know, you saw the bowlers dominate. You seen some great catching, some brilliant quick bowling, and of course some brilliant batting too. When you play leagues, and Customs, we know that the CGSA and the Customs have a terrific national cricket team, so it's good to see it. And this kind of competition is always healthy. Like we said from the very beginning, it's not about winning and losing. It's about a good match. It's about showing that we're all fit and capable of giving competition to the best out there. So, brilliant. And you got Dada with his extra comments here. Unfortunately, he didn't have the mic with you. I think he should have shared the commentary box with you.
We will always welcome Jackie sir in the comm box, but I think moreover, especially to the game, I think the intent has been very good from both the teams, and let's look forward how the rest of the overs are going to go.
Absolutely, I think it's between officials and actors, which is fantastic.
Thank you so much, sir. It is always a good conversation with you. And let's see now what happens in the game as it progresses. We also have Mr. Karsan Gowri, sir, with us, the World Cup hero. And what a wonderful way to have him also. Fit India, Hit India, friendly cricket match that we are witnessing. With the celebrities of Bollywood and of course the CGST and customs together coming to showcase some fantastic cricket that we are watching right now.
अपोजिट साइडला इकडे उभा करूया हां इकडे उभा करू हां नाहीतर तिथून लाईट पास ए दुर्गेश आपण इधर चलते लेट लाईट हां अरे इधर से भी अच्छा
We'll have to begin, Team Mumbai Heroes, we'll have to now begin the game.
इसको आपकी जगह खड़ा किया था
जकी सर अन्ना टीम के साथ पीछे
अरे और पीछे थोड़ा अन्ना थोड़ा पीछे हो जाएंगे थोड़ा देख रहा है तो उधर लाइट अच्छा है तू बोलो
अरे वही लाइट इधर से
नहीं उधर से उल्टा हो रहा है उल्टा
So the game of
अन्य दो स्टेप पीछे अरे हम लोग उठ रहा है पीछे इधर 2 नंबर बैठे हैं 1 मिनट
Chalo, I request the teams to please join back in the field and let's begin the game further.
All stars Mumbai what Lamnar what Lamnar ठीक है
चलो चलो आ जा
चलो चलो बाहर